All right, the thermocouple is now installed. If I can bring it up here, I can show you it. So, thermocouple right there, that long silver tube right there, that is a thermocouple. That is the piece I believe that went bad. The old one had a much darker tone to it, and again, I'm not sure what the insides, essentially, what they look like. But in any case, needed to get the new thermocouple installed. Now, I have the task of putting the burner back into the water heater. And once I do that, make sure I hook everything up, make sure that's nice and tight. Then I can turn the gas back on and test the water heater to see if that actually fixes the issue. So, more to come with that. I'm crossing my fingers because just putting everything together today would just be a huge plus to get everything working, and then also to get the venting in place with that. So, no further ado, here I go. Wish me luck.